What's up YouTube? Welcome back. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about the REDMAGIC 10 Pro and how to pre-order, how to get a discount, and potentially even get a free phone. Yes, a free phone. So before we jump right into it, please go ahead and like and subscribe to the video. It really helps me out. So first thing you want to do is head over to na.redmagic.gg. This is their US and Canada website. So once you're on here, you're going to see at the very top, REDMAGIC 10 Pro, learn more and join now. What you're going to do is you're going to click join now, and you're going to get access to their early bird perk. So all you have to do is go ahead and type in your email, haven@gmail.com, and then you're going to click this check mark. Once you've clicked this check mark, you're going to go ahead and click join now. The reason why you're going to do this is because you're going to be able to essentially lock in your order that starts in December 12th, and you're going to potentially get a $10, at minimum $10 coupon, or you can win a chance to get a free REDMAGIC 10 Pro. So once you've done that, as you can see, there's this early bird perk. You can go ahead and just sign up for it. You can spend $1 to get a $30 coupon. Not only that, but you're gonna get a sticker. You're gonna get 1 day early access to it, meaning you're gonna get to buy this phone, right, 1 day earlier than anyone else, and you're gonna get priority shipping, meaning it's gonna get to your doorsteps way quicker. So you want to make sure that you go ahead and also type in your email here for updates at gmail.com, and keep in mind you can unsubscribe whenever you want, so just go ahead and join it. After you've done this, you're going to scroll down and you're going to be able to spin this wheel for a free chance to get a phone. So I'm just going to do it again. haven@gmail.com. We're going to click this check mark and we're going to click join now. And once we've done that, you get a free spin. Let's see if I can get something awesome. Well, it wasn't a free phone. However, you guys can use my code here for a free $15 off the REDMAGIC 10 Pro. All right, this is going to be it. Hope you guys, are excited for the REDMAGIC 10 Pro launch. I sure am. It's going to be amazing. Incredible specs, best CPU, best screen, best battery. It's going to be crazy. The best gaming phone out there. If this video helped you out, please throw me a like and a subscription. If you have any questions, throw it down below in the comments. I'll be sure to get back to you. Have a great day.